Good day, class. So in my last video nga akong gisend, we learned about the conversions of units of time. So before we will start today's class, ato sang i-review tanan, and then we will proceed to our lesson. So again, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So ang isa ka minuto na ay 60 ka segundo. And we have 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So ang usa ka oras na ay 60 minutos. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So ang usa ka adlaw na ay 24 ka oras. And we have 1 week is equal to 7 days. So ang usa ka semana na ay 7 ka adlaw. And we have 1 month. So 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. So ang usa ka buwan na ay 4 ka semana. And we have 1 year is equal to 12 months or 365 days. So ang 1 year na ay 12 ka buwan or 365 ka adlaw. Okay, so again, seconds, minutes, day, week, and month are terms used to express the duration of lengths of time when doing something. So ato ni silang gigamit kung gusto na to i-express ang gitason or gidugayon sa atong gibuhat. Okay, or sa mga activities nga atong gibuhat. Okay, now instead of saying I was able to answer the activity for 2 minutes only, so we can also say I was able to answer the activity for 120 seconds only. So kung gusto na to siya i-express into minutes, we can use minutes. And if gusto na to siya i-express into seconds, we can also use the seconds. So it's just the same. Parehara ni silang duha. I was able to answer the activity for 2 minutes only, and I was able to answer the activity for 120 seconds. So parehara ni silang duhag duration. So both are telling us the same length of time in doing the activity. So parehara duration. The only difference kay the first sentence we use minutes, the second sentence we use seconds. So hence 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. So, di ba, ang isa ka minuto is 60 seconds. But this one, 2 minutes man siya. So, 60 plus 60. We can say 60 plus 60 or we can multiply. Like, 60 times 2 is equal to 120 seconds. Okay. So, next one. I stayed with my grandparents for 3 weeks. So, kung gusto na to ni siya i-express into days, we can also say, I stayed with my grandparents for 21 days. So, 3 weeks is equal to 21 days. Next one. So, this means that time conversion can be utilized to express the duration or length using various units. So, that means di ay nga, pwede ta makagamit. If you want to express duration, pwede ta makagamit og lain-laing klase sa unit. So, again, ang mga units na ay minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, okay, seconds. So, pwede ta mo gamit. So, pwede ta makagamit gikan sa gamay, for example, seconds, and then to a larger unit, like minutes. So, seconds to minutes or vice versa or bali-bali. May hindi kag vice versa, pwede na to siya mabali-bali. So, gikan sa dako, paingon sa gamay, or gamay, paingon sa dako. So, thus, different time units may refer to the same period. So, bisag lahi ilang time unit gigamit, pero parihara sila og time period. Okay, so let's try to practice more. So, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? Okay, so let's try to answer it faster. So, nahinera na kong basa, pero okay, if you can answer faster, please do it. So, sa isa ka minuto na ay 60 seconds. Okay, next one. How many seconds are there in 2 minutes? Okay, so there are 120 seconds. Next. How did you get the correct answer? So, yan sa man nato pag-answer katong previous question. So, ato siyang times. You can see 2 minutes man. So, atong gikaduha ang 60 seconds. Kay 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds man. Since duha, then we are going to use multiplication. We will multiply. So, 2 times 60 is equal to 120 seconds. So, inganaon na pag-answer. Pwede po atong balihon. Kumuha na ko. How did you get, for example, how many minutes is 120 seconds? So, inyo na sad na siyang i-divide. Kaya mas dako man ang 120. So, ato siyang i-divide. So, 120 divided by 60. So, the answer is 2. Okay. So, to convert minutes to seconds, multiply the number of minutes. Kay ang minute mas larger unit ni siya sa seconds. So, ato siyang i-multiply by 60. That's how we got the correct answer. Next one, how many days are there in 1 week? Pila daw kaadlaw sa isa ka semana? Okay, so I forgot to write the answer for this one. So, naa siya 7 days from Monday to Sunday. So, this time, I will let you answer this one. So, I want you to answer this one in your math notebook. So, isuwat lang ni siya kay dali raman ni siya. So, no need to print. So, 12 hours is equal to, okay, so, I want you to answer this one on your own. Remember kung kuan, for example, seconds to minute, i-divide na nato siya. Okay? So, depende siya. So, kung for example, minutes to seconds, so, unsaon man na nato, ato siyang i-multiply. So, just be careful, be careful sa paggamit sa multiplication o division. So, usually, maka-divide man ta kung sa mas dako nga number. So, kung tanaw ninyo, mas dako ang number, mas dako man ang second, kumpara sa minutes, then, in that case, ato siyang i-divide. Okay? Pero kung ang minute to second, in that case, ato siyang i-multiply. Okay? Mas gamay man ang minutes sa seconds. So, just be careful with that. So, this is it for today's lesson, and I will follow up for our next lesson na sad. Okay? So, thank you so much.